this video, I would like to explain other important functions of liver. So in previous video, I explained about the structure of liver and the secretion of that hepatocytes known as bile juice. Okay, right. So what are the other important functions of the liver? First function of the liver. So liver concerned with carbohydrates metabolism. Carbohydrate metabolism. It acts as an important role in carbohydrate metabolism by the process of glycogenesis. By the process of glycogenesis, then glycogenolysis, then gluconeogenesis. Neogenesis. Okay. So it concerns with carbohydrate metabolism by the process of glycogenesis, glycogenolysis, and gluconeogenesis. So glycogenesis means what? Sometimes what happens when blood glucose level is high. Okay. So when blood glucose level is high, so that glucose liver converts that glucose into glycogen by the process of glycogenesis. Okay. So when blood glucose level is high, the liver converts that glucose into glycogen by the process of glycogenesis. Clear? And sometimes what happens when blood glucose level is low. Okay, now. So when blood glucose level is low, at that stage, liver converts that glycogen into glucose. Glycogen into glucose by the process of glycogenolysis. Okay. And sometimes what happens? Liver converts that non-carbohydrate substances like proteins, lipids into glucose. Okay, now sometimes liver converts that non-carbohydrate substances. What are the non-carbohydrate substances? Means like amino acids and the products of proteins. Okay, now like lactic acids, etc. They are converted into glucose by the process of gluconeogenesis. Okay, now by the process of gluconeogenesis. So it is the first important function of liver, that is concerned with carbohydrate metabolism by the process of glycogenesis, gluconeogenesis, and glycogenolysis. Clear? Then second important function concerned with protein metabolism. Protein metabolism. So in this case, hepatic cells, okay, hepatic cells performs the deamination. Performs the what? Deamination. So what is the meaning of deamination? Removal of amino group from amino acids. Okay, now. And then amino group is converted into that is less toxic excretory substances like urea by the process of ornithine cycle or urea cycle. Okay. It means it acts as a key role in ornithine cycle or urea cycle. Clear? So that is concerned with protein metabolism. So hepatic cells are the performs the deamination process. Deamination is nothing but what? Removal of amino group from amino acids, and the amino group then converted into less toxic excretory substances are the products known as urea, and by the process of ornithine cycle or urea cycle. So that is the second function of the liver. Then third important function of the liver, that is the detoxification organ. Detoxification organ. So what is the meaning of detoxification is nothing but here. So if any toxic substances, okay, now if any toxic products are entered into our body through alimentary canal, so first of all they will reach to our liver through hepatic portal vein. So here liver converts the non-toxic substances into, liver converts the toxic substances into non-toxic substances. Okay, now toxic substances into non-toxic substances. Okay, so conversion of toxic substances into non-toxic substances, that is known as detoxification. So if, once again repeated, if any harmful or the toxic substances along with our food enter into our alimentary canal, first of all they could reach to our liver through hepatic portal vein. So here liver converts the toxic substances or the harmful substances into non-toxic substances. That process is known as detoxification. Clear? So it means third important function is what? Detoxification. It converts the toxic substances into non-toxic substances. It means act as a check post. Okay, now first check post. Then next, fourth important function of the liver, synthesis of clotting factors. Synthesis of clotting factors. So liver can synthesize the plasma protein like albumin, okay, now, and blood clotting factors like fibrinogen and prothrombin, as well as they synthesize the heparin, which is act as an anticoagulant factor. It means fourth important function is what? Synthesis of blood clotting factor, as well as the plasma protein like albumin and globulin, and blood clotting factors like fibrinogen and prothrombin, and also synthesize the heparin. Heparin is nothing but it is one type of anticoagulant factor. It means synthesis of clotting factor. Then next, phagocytosis. Phagocytosis. So mainly presence of Kupffer cells. Okay, now presence of Kupffer cells in liver. So these Kupffer cells are phagocytic in nature, which are very large. So if any unwanted substances are there, okay, now if any unwanted substances are there, so these unwanted substances are removed by these Kupffer cells, so act as a phagocytic in nature. That is the fourth important function of the liver, that is phagocytosis. Then another important function of the liver, so here liver act as a erythropoietic organ in fetus membrane. Okay, now so during adult stage erythropoietic organs are the bone marrow, but in fetus stage or during embryonic stage erythropoietic organ is nothing but what? Liver. So liver act as a erythropoietic organ in fetus stage, and erythroclastic organ that is in act as a erythroclastic organs, which is similar to spleen. It means after complete the lifespan of RBC, so they are destroyed in our spleen. So here liver also act as a erythroclastic organ and erythropoietic organ in fetus. Erythropoietic organ is nothing but what? Production of RBC by the process of erythropoiesis. Clear? Erythropoietic organ. Erythropoietic organ in fetus. Okay, now, and erythroclastic organ. Erythroclastic organ. Okay, along with spleen also. Along with spleen. So your spleen also act as a erythroclastic organ. Clear? Then next, another important function of the liver. So it can store the fat soluble vitamins like A, D, E, K as well as the vitamin B12. It can store the fat soluble vitamins like what are the fat soluble vitamins? A, D, E, K, and as well as vitamin B12 also. It can store that fat soluble vitamins and vitamin B12. So, and another important function of the liver, it concerned with the lipid metabolism also.